All right, this is your phonics lesson. Today is on noun suffixes, some more. I know we've done some before, but there's more than what we had covered, so here's some more. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. And a suffix, pen issues, is an ending that we put on a word that doesn't totally change the meaning, but just sort of adjusts the meaning a little bit. For example, shun, T-I-O-N, S-I-O-N, means an act or process. So if I take the word predict, in this case, I'm really just adding I-O-N so that it creates T-I-O-N. I'm taking the word predict, right? That's a verb that means guessing what comes next. When I add on the suffix of I-O-N, it means the act or process of predicting something. It's a prediction. So it turns it from a verb into a noun. Okay? Or discussion. I'm taking the verb discuss to talk about something. I'm adding on that suffix, I-O-N, creating the S-I-O-N. Now it's like the act of talking about something. The process of discussing is a discussion. So if you see a word with that I-O-N ending, you know that's probably a noun. And you can look at the base word to try to help you figure out what it means. Another suffix is ty, means the state of. So I'm taking the word safe, which is an adjective. It's describing how I am. I'm safe, or how something is, not in danger. Safety is the state of being safe. So I'm taking this adjective and I'm turning it into a noun. Difficulty. Okay, what's the base word? Difficult. Again, because it ended in a T, I really just had to add on the Y to create that TY. Hard, right? The state of something being hard is a difficulty. The state of something being difficult is a difficulty. So again, I can look at the base word to help me figure it out. Ness and ment are two other suffixes that turn words into nouns. I can take the word ill, the adjective, being sick, feeling sick. If I add illness, suddenly it's like being sick, the state of being sick. Agreement. I can agree with someone. If we agree, we have an agreement. Suddenly, that verb to agree turns into a noun, something that we have between us. Saltiness. This is interesting because we started with the word salty, which ended in a Y. The Y did change to an I when we added a suffix. Usually if a word ends in a Y and we're adding a suffix, it changes to an I. So, salty, adjective, I could describe food as salty. If I change it to a noun and I say saltiness, it's like the food has saltiness. All right? Or if you're feeling salty as a person, you have saltiness. All right, one more. Advertisement. So we're taking the word advertise, which is a verb to like show your product. An advertisement is something that is showing the product. It's advertising. It is an advertisement. The advertisement is a noun. All right. I know it can be a little tricky, but we're just starting to get the hang of like looking at words and thinking, oh, if it has these suffixes, if it has this ending, that tells me that it's a noun and it's related to the base word. So take off the ending, think what the base word means, and that will help you know what the whole word means. Make sure on your assignment that you are both underlining. So you're both underlining the noun suffix. They list them up at the top for you. You are also reading them out loud and recording how many words you get. Now, there's a lot of tricky words on this one, so I wasn't going to record it since I don't think a lot of you use it, but because these words are a little harder, I did record it in case you want to listen to it to hear the words before you practice reading them. All right, let me know if you need help. Good luck.